Here are some more beautiful places to visit in Kashmir. Number 1. Nishad Garden. This one is considered to be amongst the largest Mughal gardens located on the banks of Dal Lake. Nishad Garden is also known by the name the Garden of Bliss, and rightly so, as there are breathtaking Zabarwan mountains in the backdrop. This garden is historically famous, and Asif Khan, who was the brother of Noor Jahan, designed it. This is definitely one of the best places to visit in Kashmir. The best time to visit this garden is October to December. Next one is Shalimar Garden. This garden was established in the year 1616 by the well-known Emperor Jahangir, especially for his wife Noor Jahan. After some time, another garden named Faiz Baksh was added to this one. You will find a canal inside the garden that has been embellished with polished stones at the boundaries. This canal at the center of the garden is considered to be the focal point here. The best time to visit is October to December. Next one is Chashma Shahi. Chashma Shahi is one of the Mughal gardens. This garden was established in 1632 AD and is considered the smallest amongst the three Mughal gardens in Kashmir. It was constructed by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. From here, you will get to see a really picturesque view of Dal Lake as well as many mountains in the neighboring regions. The next one is Yusmarg. Yusmarg is considered to be the best place when it comes to observing the natural aspects of Kashmir. This is one of the top tourist places in Kashmir that is not much explored. If you will go 4 kilometers downhill from this place, you will see the beautiful Neel Nag Lake. That will be a treat to your eyes. You will find the true tranquility as well as picturesqueness of Kashmir here. Next is Patnitop. It's a picture-perfect paradise. Endless meadows and picturesque waves describe Patnitop the best. Blanketed by the sky-high Himalayas covered with snow, Patnitop has created a niche in the tourism industry due to its surreal beauty. Along with this, the place also offers some thrilling activities that will treat the adrenaline junkie in you. It proves to be one of the top tourist places in Kashmir for both families and friends. The best time to visit is May to June and September to October. Next is Aro Valley. It's a perfect place to unwind. Located 12 kilometers from Pahalgam, Aro Valley is just posed against the snow-clad peaks of Himalayas. It serves as a base camp for several treks and lakes including Tarsar Lake and Kolahi Glacier. The valley is also home to the Aro River, which is a tributary of the Lidar River. Nature lovers resort to this place for peace and unwind in the lap of nature. Apart from this, Aro Valley offers some of the most enthralling activities like horse riding and hiking. During the winter months, the view of the whole valley covered with snow is a comfort to the eyes. A visit to this place in Kashmir will leave you in awe of nature. Best time to visit is July to September, and things to do: horse riding and trekking. Next is Amarnath. Marvel at the natural occurrences. Amarnath is a haven for pilgrims and is counted among the top places to visit in Kashmir. Worshippers of Lord Shiva visit this place every year to take blessings and witness the enshrined image of Shiva, which is popularly called Shivaling. People from all over the world resort to this place and indulge in the well-known Amarnath Yatra. It is believed that this is the same cave where Lord Shiva told about the secret of life and eternity to goddess Parvati. If you are a true follower of Lord Shiva, then make sure that you include this attraction in your Kashmir tour itinerary. Best time to visit this place is May to September. And things to do is trekking. Next beautiful place is Dachigam National Park. Kashmir not only has an abundance of beauty but also has abundant flora and fauna. Dashigam National Park is where you will find indigenous species of plants and animals. Even the landscapes of the place are truly mesmerizing. It's only 22 kilometers from Srinagar and can be reached easily by taking a private taxi. Its natural beauty makes it one of the most visited Kashmir tourist places. Best time to visit this place is May to June and September to October. And things to do is wildlife tour. Next one is Baltal, known for the picturesque landscapes. Baltal is one of the most famous places in Kashmir and it owes its popularity to its picturesque environment. It is only 14 kilometers away from Amarnath Cave and offers a base for the devotees to spend a night. The staggering beauty of this valley makes it one of the most amazing Kashmir tourist places. You must visit this place as it is located at a convenient location from Srinagar and Pahalgam. Best time to visit is May to September. And things that to do nature sightseeing and photography.